What's up guys? I am Rolando Britania, a grade 12 student from USTP CDO, and in this video, I will show you the things that I do mostly every day and the places that I visit. And yes, I will be showing you my city, my life. I hope you like it. Enjoy!
'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Good afternoon everyone. So I just woke up and I'm going to school later. It's actually 7 a.m. in the morning. So, but first I'm going to hmm, do some homework. Yeah, I'll be doing some homework, and let's get ready with me later. Before I go to school. So I just finished taking a bath. So I'm going to get dressed first. Get ready with me, guys. Mama. Nay. So, this is me going to school riding a motorcycle. So, yes, I live in Barangay Carmen. Barangay Carmen is the largest barangay in Cagayan de Oro and is home to many residents. And this is Mabuhay Street, and I use this road every day going to school. And this is the Carmen Market, and this is the JR Borja Bridge and Burgos Street, going to the highway and nearing the school already. And we're now at Katkay, Katkay Drive, and now we're now at school. Doesn't even matter. Does it even matter? Tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard to get along. In the end, it doesn't matter. This is the safest way. Two old friends meet again. So I finally arrived at school. It was a 24 minutes ride. Okay, I think I'm not going to believe because there's still about 10 minutes until our first class. So yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, so we just finished our Hi ma'am, it's our itik ma'am, project ma'am. We just finished our class.
Hi guys!
No, it's front cam.
Hi guys! Usta! Ano pa kagamot?
Yes, I'm currently doing it right now because I don't think it's good. So yes, I'll be going home in a while.
I'll go na
Okay, bye bye. I'll be back. Hello everyone. So me and my classmates are now making props for our CPAR. I'm not going home yet. So there, let's go. Other people are in there practicing the so they okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So we're now going to the parking lot. It's very bright because there's light. Now I'm home. Finally. This is my cat. It's Rara. It's her. And this is my second cat. Roro! Oh! I just got home from school. The next day. What's up everyone? So I just got back from running an errand. So I'm cooking brunch right now because it's already 11 a.m. and I still haven't eaten any breakfast. So yes, and with some Vitamilk, you know. After I finish cooking, I'll be eating. Then I'll be taking a bath and go to school. See you later. Hello everyone. So now I'm at school and later there'll be a concert and I will be attending it. So yes, see you later. And right now we are having a meeting for many group activities. That's all. See you later. Hello everyone. So today we are
Ready?
So everyone, we are practicing for our CPAR and I am listening because I can't do anything. Yes, very good. See you later. A concert. Hello everyone, so we're now heading inside the RER Memorial Hall. Let's go. See you inside. Now inside the RER. Hey, wait. So this concert is the Higala Haseyo Philippine Korean cultural exchange. So this concert promotes the culture of the Korea, and it just shows just how talented they are with the girl group Be Ours and the boy group VVN. Yes, so VVS and some other performance together as well with the traditional performance and the soap opera performance. It was very enjoyable and I had fun. It was really nice.
It's whatever you like.
it's very worth it. Everyone. Let's go. That was very fun. Hey, I'm your Opao. Oh, hello. Hey, Opao. Yes. Opao. Idol. Thank you. Hey, Opao. The concert just finished. It was very fun. It was hella fun. It was very worth it. And I'm currently going to the parking lot because I'll be going home now. Goodbye, guys. That was a very good night. Very worth it. Woo, let's go. What's up, everyone? So I just got back from school and I'm now home. And that's it for the night. Yes, it's very enjoyable. Nice one. 2 days after we run, we surprised our classmate Saison on his 18th birthday. What's up, guys? So we'll be joining a fun run. It's raining, so that's why we're you know, like this. The starting line is there. Oh, I'll be back later. So this place is called the Plaza de Visoria in Cagayan de Oro, and this place used to be very, you know, crowded, but back at the time, but now it's not that crowded anymore. Guys, I just finished 3K for 11 minutes and 37 seconds. I forgot to film earlier because I was so tired. I just, it feels like it's snowing. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in CDO. Hey. This was us training 1 month before the race. So this place is the Rio de Oro Boulevard, located near Burgos Street alongside Cagayan de Oro River. It is a very well-known place, especially for joggers and those who jog and going to walk. It also has a night market. Yes, it's a very good place to walk and run. Hello everyone, it's 6:07 p.m. and we are still here at school because we're making the props for our CPAR play. Look at the progress. Look at them. They're very busy, but I will go to Hilary's house because we're going to film our second podcast titled Reserve Photo Mentality, something like that. Hello, hello. So yes. No. Okay, so later I will go to. I'll be back later because we're going to film our podcast. What's up, everyone? So it's 7:22 p.m. and I'm here at Juanares house together with my group mates because we are going to make the second part of our podcast, and we decided to film or record here again. And yes, I'll be right back later after we finish our podcast. Yes. So this was us doing our podcast, which lasted for more than 40 minutes, and we talked about the deserve to mentality, and this is for compliance, e-tech subject podcast. This is the episode 2 of our podcast. So what's up, everyone? So we're now done with our podcast. Very good, very nice. Looking very good, very nice. So yes, I will be going home. Looking very good, very nice. Good job, everyone. It was, their time was well spent. Yeah. Nice one, I think. Yes. Finally, we're now finished with our podcast. And all that's left to problem is to the explainer and the seminar. My gosh. So yeah, see you later 9:54 p.m. I'll be back later. Hello everyone. So I'm here at my house. It's 8:31 a.m. and today it's our play SIP for CPAR, and I'm printing our background. Yeah, so I'll be going to school later, and I'll update you guys later. Let's go. So we're finally done with our CPAR play, and yes, it's good, even though there's only a very small preparation, but we still did it. Let's go. We did it, guys. Yes, we did it. Nice clutch. Proud of you guys. Thank you, everyone. Nice one. It's 3:55 p.m. and see you later. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, see you later. Bye-bye. This is me and my classmates doing our research paper because we need to finish it, as we have a defense coming up in 2 days. So we clutched it, Hey, research defended. After those sleepless nights, it was all worth it. And
yes, sir.
damn, I thought we were going to be, sauteed. But then, yes, it was a success. Good job, guys. Very good. Our sleepless nights were worth it. Yes.
Mine is sleep night.
Sleep nights. Let's go. Thank you for everything. Yes. Let's go. See you next time. This is me and my classmates doing TikToks, but little did we know, our paper will be included in the top 3 to have another defense for the research summit. Finally, we're now finished with our Research Summit 2024 successfully. Let's go! Woo, nice one, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. We did it. We survived. That's what matters. Thank you everyone. Let's go. See you later at the party. And this is us, Team Hydroponics. And to wrap it all up, this is me and my friends during my birthday party. So we enjoyed a lot, we ate a lot, and were very full that night, and I had really fun, and I hope that you guys enjoyed together with me as well. Once again, I am Ronald John Britannia, from grade 12 strength, USTP CDO, and this is my city, my life.